So we're going to be learning about the area of composite figures, and in front of us right now we have a straightforward example of this following figure. Now we do have the following side, which is 4 centimeters long, and we have this following width of 2 centimeters long. Now from the word composite figures, it means we have multiple figures connected together. And if I want to find the area of the composite figures, we can apply the following concept by saying area of composite figures is equal to the sum of areas of all figures. So what do we mean by the following statement? Area of composite figures is equal to the sum of areas of all the figures. So if we have the following shape in front of us right now, I should be able to break it down into two different figures or two different shapes. We do have shape number 1, which is a rectangle, and shape number 2, which is a triangle. So if I'm going to apply the concept, I'm going to say that the area of this current figure equals to the area of this rectangle plus the area of the triangle. So let's apply this. I have the area of figure equals to area of rectangle plus area of triangle. So the area of the rectangle equals to the length multiplied by the width, L multiplied by W. And the area of the triangle equals to half multiplied by the base of the triangle multiplied by the height of the triangle. So we have a missing piece here. So let's say I have this to be 2 centimeters long, which is the base of the triangle. So in this case we have half multiplied by the base given by the letter B multiplied by H, which stands for the height. Now let's replace with the numbers. We have the length of the rectangle, which is 4 multiplied by 2, which is the width, plus 1/2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by the height, which is 2 as well. Let's simplify. We have 8 plus 2 is cancelled with 2, so 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 2 will give us 2, so the end result equals to 10 centimeters squared. Now keep in mind the unit for areas is always squared, and to summarize what we have done, the composite figure means a shape that has multiple shapes in it, and we're trying to find the area of the shape by combining all of the areas of the shapes in it. So in front of us here we had an example, and we broke down this figure to two different figures. Figure number 1, which is a rectangle, figure number 2, which is a triangle. And we applied the rule. The area of this figure equals to the area of the rectangle plus the area of the triangle. So the area of the rectangle equals to length multiplied by width, and the triangle equals to half base multiplied by height. Now you could have any figure. You could have a circle connected to a rectangle, connected to a triangle, connected to a square, and the same rule applies. In order to find the area of composite figures, you have to add all the areas of all the possible figures that you can come up with within the complete figure.